Hey everyone, it's Natasha. Thanks for joining me today. If you're new here, welcome. I am a mom of 6 girls ranging in age from 4 all the way to adult, and I homeschool the 5 that are still living at home. And in today's video, I'm going to do a homeschool room tour. This video is in collaboration with Kara from the Momma Librarian and Isabella from the Learning Ladder. They are 2 of my favorite channels, and I personally consider them my friends, so definitely go check out their channels. I'm going to put it down below so you can check them out and see their homeschool rooms too. So now let's take a look at the homeschool room and see what we got. Okay, so we'll start over here. We've got the calendar math up here. Now, truth be told, we don't really use that too much. I probably should, but we don't. And then underneath it, I have this oil drip pan. It's from Walmart, and then I've got some magnetic letters and those twisty things. They're from Lakeshore, all of that. But of course I get all this from Goodwill, you know. And then over here we've got some home science tools. This my daughter made. This is from a Timber Doodle kit. Isn't that so cute? Anyway, and then they have their Crafty School Crate sewing. I just kind of don't have anywhere for those right now, so they're just kind of sitting up there. And then in this thing is like random art supplies, and then there's lined paper and construction paper there. And so especially my 4-year-old is a crafter, so she has free access to this and can craft to her heart's delight. We've got some what are these called, aprons for painting. So this is kind of the under the stairs closet, and we've got a bookshelf in here with all of our kind of like our chapter books and things. Those are all in here. And then we've got the Boxcar Children and Little House on the Prairie. Looks like somebody was reading that one. And then this is where I kind of keep all their work, and it's really full though, like their completed work. So then I have to take that out and move it. But this is kind of just where I keep their regular work. And then over here we've got a little comfy chair, and there's some games and different things on there. There's some logic games over there, and some like cozy blankets and things over there, so if the girls want to come in here, relax and read and things like that. Shelf, we've got all kinds of things. So we've got Play-Doh tools. We've got these quick sticks. We've got different like sensory stuff in there. We've got some science specimen centers. There's more of those, but they're upstairs. We got a sewing kit there. This goes with their Crafty School Crates. This 2-stick shadows, I have a review on that. It's some painting. I think there might be one more left in there. I did that with my teens. Then we've got, again, this is kind of stuff. There's this foam stuff. There's these, I forget what those are called, but these pegs, a space theme box. These are frogs. This is History Unboxed. So it's kind of just random. And then down here we have all of our doctor stuff and our wiki sticks. And then here's a bunch of logic games back there. And then down here is like regular games like Clue and this honeybee tree. The girls love that one. And catchphrase and just all kind of like regular games down there. We've got our Lego Education Emotions and our Fisher Technic. Okay, now this is kind of like the kindergarten area here. I'll kind of pan around so you can see kind of the setup of the room. And then it goes over to here. Okay, so this is the kindergarten area. And so this is really the kindergarten shelf. And so I've got anything appropriate for her on these shelves here. The majority of this stuff I do get from Goodwill. So if you want to see what's on these shelves. And then here's a table where I've shown this in another video. I like to try to set up these trays for the week if I can. I have these shelves here which have different things in them. So let's see, we've got our microscope, and we've got our hands-on history there, and this is art stuff, magnetiles, ponies. That's kind of my stuff up there. art stuff. This is more like kindergarten stuff. And then down in here is even more kindergarten stuff. Lots of like all the toy type, educational toys stuff. Like these are the handwriting without tears wood blocks. These are some wipe off cards from Lakeshore, that sort of thing is in there. And then this desk kind of transfers back and forth between my third grader and my kindergartner's desk. My third grader has a desk upstairs that is like her desk for all the time. She typically works by me when I'm working. But for math this week, I put my kindergartner stuff on here. So we've got that, and then we've got these drawers where I kind of keep everything for my kindergartner. And that one's full of stuff. And then this is my fifth grader's desk, and she's got her drawers here. Let me go back over here. We've got these here. These are our sum blocks. We've got our Duplos and our Barbies, and both of these are filled with regular blocks. And I think these are empty. Yeah, those are empty for now. We got dolls, doll strollers, and random toys. This is our box of random toys that don't really have a home. Okay, so then we have the kitchen center here. So up here we have like random little stuff here. You got remotes, you got like video game stuff here. Here it says odds and ends, but it's actually like educational DVDs and CDs. This is all of our geography stuff along with this. When we do our universal yums, I just pull this down. This is where I keep all of the brochures and stuff from Universal Yum so we can go back to it. And this is the bed, it has all of our binders and everything in it. Okay, so then we've got the shelves. Now, they're not quite necessarily the right labels. Like, this is not handwriting, this is science, but I have art, math, science, sewing, Latin. This is like assessment type stuff. And then, yeah, more science, CLE K2, our art portfolios, kind of like all our flashcards here, phonics, memory press guides, writing, grammar. It says home ec, but it's actually random things. Okay, we've got 5 in a row. We've got timeline of classics, and we've got music. We've got polished cornerstones and for instruction and righteousness, poetry. Let's see, we've got our kind of Montessori things here. We've got, this is kind of health stuff, and this is myself and others, myself and others, myself and others. That's by Memory Press. I've got all those books kind of separated. My IEW stuff here, CLE and Life Pack that we're not currently using. That will come up later in the year. And then we've got a couple of these missing because my daughter has them in her room. But this is the animals, and then this is the other Usborne beginners. This is all science, Bible, history, geography, and biographies, and then kind of some random stuff here. And this is all kind of social skills type stuff, and then a little bit of STEM stuff at the end. These are like board books. These are random. Pretty sure those are all random. More Bible. Oh, this goes to a plaything. And more Bible. Of course, we have some regular Legos here. Then over here we have this desk that used to be my grandma's, and keep the sewing machine on it. And then this, I just keep all my teacher's guides like that I need readily available here, so I can just pull out what I need when I need it to correct their work. And then the shelf. Okay, so we got lots of games and things on the top shelf. And then, okay, we'll start over here. So we've got, this is like kind of random. This shelf is random. This is math, math, puzzles, math, kind of random, kind of STEM-y type stuff, coding and STEM, language arts, geography, random, science, 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 science. So I think that's pretty much it. That's our homeschool room. Now, like I said, there are some other places that we homeschool, right? My third grader has a desk upstairs, like I said, and then I also store some stuff in the garage that, you know, we're just not currently using. I have tubs of curriculum and then other stuff that we just don't need right now that's in the garage. So, you know, but this is the main homeschool area. This is the area where we all come and watch movies and play, and so it's kind of our homeschool room, our playroom, our TV room, kind of all of it combined. It is the central room in the house for sure. And so anyway, go check out those other channels, and I know you will love them as much as I do, and I'll see you in the next one.